Hello viewers, Republic Day sale is going to start on Amazon.in on 13th of January. On the other hand, if you want to buy tablets or any other gadgets from Flipkart.com, in that case the sale will start on 14th of January and it will last up to 19th of January 2025. Many users actually want to know about the offers on various products on Amazon.in. In Amazon.in, you will get offers on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Probably you will get this device under 20,000 rupees for the 128GB Wi-Fi version. And if you want to buy the iPad 10th generation, in that case, you may have to spend around 28 to 29,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the 256GB version, in that case, another 10,000 rupees will be extra. And the final price point for the 256GB will be around 40,000 rupees. If you want to buy iPhone 15, in that case you will get sale on both Flipkart and Amazon.in. However, the final pricing is not yet out, so you have to wait a little bit longer to know the price of those products. Many users actually want to buy MI Pad 6 for note-taking experience and video editing, but I would request you to wait for the launch of MI Pad 7 because MI Pad 7 may be launched under 25,000 rupees for the 128GB version. And if you can get this tablet under 25,000 rupees, that will be a very good pricing for that tablet. Again, many users are asking me about the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. The price of this tablet may not be decreased in Flipkart. However, you can get this tablet at around 28 to 30,000 rupees, but I don't think you should buy Tab S9 FE Plus at 30,000 rupees because that is a higher price tag. In Big Billion Day sale, it was available at 22 to 23,000 rupees. So if you don't get this product under 24 to 25,000 rupees, then don't buy this tablet in Republic Day sale. And if you want to know about the card details, actually Amazon is offering discounts on SBI credit card, and if you want to buy from Flipkart, they haven't mentioned any card details, but you will get discounts on Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. And when the deal will start, maybe ICICI or HDFC card will be available for discount. And if you want to buy any laptop, in that case you can buy MacBook M1 from Amazon.in because Amazon offers more discounts on this product. And if you want to buy M2 Air, in that case you can buy MacBook from Flipkart.com because Flipkart offers more discount or Air M2. I will make another video about the pricing of latest tablets and smartphones, so stay tuned for that video. And if you want to know the price of any particular tablet, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.